Are you looking for a trustworthy, global automotive electronics brand? ADDZEST from Japan, over 70 years of heritage. OEM host screen expert, authority on high-end sound quality design. Worried about licensing? We provide official, enduring authorization from our headquarters in Japan. Compliance disclosure. All procedures complete. Global strategy. One agent per country per product category. Products include infotainment systems, dashcams, speakers, DSPs, amplifiers, marine audio systems, power tailgates, LED headlights, IBIX, more. Why do overseas dealers stay with us? Strong products, professional factories, full R&D, complete customizable lineup, marketing support, plus a powerful brand history. ADDZEST brings you good products. Unlock new opportunities with a high-end brand, offering both OEM and ODM services. Let's grow together.
ADDZEST.